Hello friends, today in this video we shall start discussing the framework for preparation and presentation of financial statements. This framework has been issued by Accounting Standard Board of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. This framework has purpose. This framework sets out certain concepts. These concepts underlie the preparation and presentation of financial statements for external users, not for internal users, but for external users. This framework helps preparers of financial statements in applying accounting standards and in dealing with topics on which accounting standards may be formed. This framework helps Accounting Standard Board in development of future accounting standards and in the review of existing accounting standards. This framework assists Accounting Standard Board for harmonization of regulations, accounting standards, procedures relating to preparation, presentation of financial statements. So harmonization between these items, these things, regulations, accounting standards and procedures relating to preparation and presentation of financial statements. So how it may happen? It may happen by reducing the number of alternative accounting treatments permitted by accounting standards. This framework assists the auditors in forming opinion whether the financial statement conform with accounting standards. This framework assists user of financial statement in interpreting information contained in the financial statement prepared in conformity of accounting standards. So user can interpret the information contained in financial statement. This framework provides those who are interested in the work of Accounting Standard Board about its approach to the formulation of accounting standards. So those who are interested in the work of Accounting Standard Board are following this framework to verify the approach of Accounting Standard Board in formulation of accounting standards. This framework is not an accounting standard and therefore it does not define any standard for any particular measurement or disclosure issue. Nothing in this framework overrides any specific accounting standard. Accounting Standard Board recognizes that in limited number of cases, there may be conflict between the framework and an accounting standard. In those cases where there is a conflict, the requirement of accounting standard would prevail over those of framework. However, Accounting Standard Board will be guided by this framework for the development of future standards and in the review of existing standards. The conflicts between the framework and accounting standards will be reduced as the time passes. Framework will also be revised on the basis of experience of the Accounting Standard Board of working with it. So this framework will be revised. Now the scope of the framework. Framework deals with objective of financial statements. Framework deals with qualitative characteristics that determine usefulness of information. Framework deals with definition of elements, recognition of elements, measurement of elements from which financial statements are construed. This framework deals with concept of capital and capital maintenance. This framework concerned with general purpose financial statement. Such financial statements are prepared and presented at least annually and directed towards common financial needs of wide range of users. Some of these users may require and some of these users have the power to obtain the information. In addition to that, contained in the financial statements. Many users have to rely on the financial statements as their major source of financial information, and accordingly, such financial statements should be prepared and presented with their needs in view. Special purpose financial statements. For example, prospectus. This is one of the special purpose financial report, and computation prepared for taxation purpose. This is also one of the special purpose financial report. These special purpose financial reports are outside the scope of this framework. Nevertheless, the framework may be applied in preparation of such special purpose reports where their requirement permit. Even if this framework is not meant for special purpose financial report, this framework can be used for preparation of special purpose financial report where their requirement permit. Now we are moving forward to para 7. Financial statements form part of the process of financial reporting. Financial statements mean balance sheet, statement of profit and loss, and a cash flow statement. They form part of the process of financial reporting. A complete set of financial statement normally includes a balance sheet, a statement of profit and loss, it is alternatively called income statement, and a cash flow statement, and those notes and other statements and explanatory materials that are an integral part of financial statements. Financial statements may include supplementary schedules. They may include information based on or derived from and expected to be read with such statements. With such statement means balance sheet, profit and loss statement, or cash flow statements. Such schedules or supplementary information may deal with financial information about business, geographical segments, and other disclosures about the effect of changing prices. The financial statement do not include such items as reports by directors, statement by chairman, discussions and analysis by management, and similar items that may be included in a financial or annual report. Framework applies to financial statement of all reporting enterprises engaged in commercial, industrial, and business activities, whether in the public or private sector. So these enterprises may be in public sector, may be in private sector. This framework applies to all those enterprises. A reporting enterprise is an enterprise for which there are users who rely on financial statements as their major source of financial information about the enterprise.